Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is part 3 of my DIY Microloc install. Let's do a quick recap. I measured my hair, I gave you tips on lock sizes, the tools you should be using to discover your lock sizes, the grid that you should choose. We know that you need to know your density of your hair type, just to discover the size of the locks you want in your hair for longevity. And here's the grid that I chose for myself for DIY. We figured out the grid does not exist. The grid does not exist for the back of your head. You get it. The limit might not exist for you, but I was limited trying to install these locks on the back of my head. But in today's video, I put day 3 and 4 together. I finished the top of my head, and then today you'll see me doing the back of my hair. Well, you really won't see me doing it. You'll see the finished products of it, and I will say it was a struggle for me. And then that's when we talk about the mindset and why you're getting locks. You have to be clear on your reason why. Not to come off as like deep and spiritual, but your reason why is going to take you far throughout your lock journey. Okay, here I'm going to show you, because I realized I didn't really show you how I started off the lock and everything in part 2 or 1. But use a little bit of product. I barely use any product, and I place it at the top, bottom, and throughout the section of hair I'm going to be twisting. And then I'm going to section the hair in 3. There's my 1, because you're starting off a braid essentially. You're starting off the braid, and I felt comfortable. You have to pull it tight. If you have fine hair, you have to pull that thing tight. 1, 2, 3. You pull it through. And I'm braiding all the way down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! It might have been 14 times. And then I'm separating that third piece, because you're going to start twisting now. Twist, twist, twist. And this is going to be easy, because you're going to do that throughout your entire head. That's all you're doing. You're finding the lock size that you want, and you can find those lock tools on Amazon or Etsy. And here's where you decide if you're going to twist all the way down, or like me, twist to a certain stopping point, because I want my ends to be curly. So the amount of hair that you leave untwisted is up to you. And remember, the more hair you leave untwisted, the more maintenance you have to do with your locks every day, because that curly hair needs to be maintained. Okay, so this is day 3. I went to drop Sydney off to school. I got me a little breakfast. I went live on TikTok just to tell them what I was doing. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok, go do that. I love a good matcha, sugar-free vanilla, no sugar added in my matcha. And I hate when I go to some places and they say, oh, sugar is already in the matcha. Oh, like, come on now. But Starbucks doesn't do that. Anyway, back to my hair. Today, I have to get in that mirror, and finish the back of my hair. Now, the back of my hair, I've seen other people's tutorials, I've seen it on TikTok, and they just do it without any problems. For me, it was a problem. And that hair in the back, it's always a problem for me, so I like to cut it off. It'll grow back, because I didn't want to braid it, because it'll be painful in the long run. So I just snip it off. All the time, any hairstyle I get, I just snip it off. It'll grow back, and I'll snip it off again. That hair always grows back. It's part of I want to call it baby hair, because it doesn't really grow long. So I snip it off. And here's what I say about the grid. Okay, you can see that the lines aren't perfect as the front part. And I didn't really pull tight, because my grip in these nails didn't really work out together. So if you're going to do your own install, don't wear nails, okay? Don't wear them. Well, long nails. My nails were on the longer side, so the grip was not good for me. So after I saw how I finished the first side, I was like, I got to do better on the second side. And that I did. It was a little bit better. I gripped it more, and it seemed like it was more fresh and cleaner parts, but it wasn't too much cleaner. And remember what I'm telling you guys, these are just suggestions, tips and tricks. Y'all know I'm the queen of tips and tricks. That's what I built my platform off of, because I try it and then I tell you ways to be better when you start doing it. And I just want to stop you guys right here and ask you to please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and like this video. So I finished both sides. I'm trying to show you the back in my bathroom mirror. Excuse the dirty mirror, but you really can't see it. I'm talking about seeing the grid, not the dirty mirror, but it's a little better, and I'll give you another angle, but I feel confident in this. What time is it, Sid? 8:54. Almost there. Okay, so today is early, day 3. I'm refreshed, just got out the shower. I'm drinking my protein coffee and I'm ready to go. I finished the back of my hair. So yesterday, the back of my hair, I finished it and it took a lot out of me. So I only did 2 sections and they were the back sections. So I have 2 sections done and 2 sections in the back done and 4 sections in the front done. So that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections to do today on the 3rd day, because remember I had 11 sections in total. So 5 sections remaining, and I'm going to knock out the top 2, which I did here, and they look so good. Oh my God, I'm starting to get closer to the finish line and I feel so good about this hairstyle. Oh my God, look at the color. I did color my hair to be like a blue black, and I love it so much. And I spoke about color briefly in part 1. You should always color your hair before you get locks. Coloring your hair while you get locks will damage your hair, but if you don't do it properly. So I'm done with this. I did 3 today. 1, 2, 3. It's time for me to go pick Sydney up from school, and I don't know if I'm going to continue. I want to, but then I don't want to, so we'll see. I want to get it done though. Got 2 sections left. It only took me an hour to do the sides, so I think I'm going to finish this one today. We'll see. Oh, and it's 2:49. So y'all, this is day 4, the last day. I just came home from dropping Sid off at school. I'm making breakfast and I have 1 patch left. Let me see if you can see. I think it's 9 o'clock. I'll probably start by 9:30, 10, and I'll probably be done by 1 o'clock. We'll see. That's my prediction. I'll get back to y'all. So I'm so excited. I did. Okay, so let me break it down so far. The first day I did 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I finished 4. The second day I did the 2 in the back. Yesterday was the 3rd day. I did 2 up here and 2 on this, 1 on each side. That's 4. And today is the 1 patch. So first day 4, second day 2, 3rd day 4, and today the last day, day number 4, this little patch. But it's not so little. I don't know how many berries. I don't know if it's big or little. At this point, I'm just ready to be done. So another tip that helped me with the top middle of my hair, like the occipital bone and the top front of my hair, is turn that 3-way mirror vertically. Everybody turns it horizontally. Vertical is going to eat the angles up. I'm officially finished and it's 12:08 p.m. It is May 21st, 2025. Wow. 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 Oh my goodness. Period. I'm finished. Lot green, lot green, lot green, lot green. So I'm all finished. I put the Bantu knots back in so you can see the grid pattern that I tried to keep. The pattern is okay, but what's inside each section is sketchy. But that's okay because all I need are the bigger sections for my retie days. But in part 4, I will show you when I add water to it. I didn't add water yet because I wanted to get these videos out, and I wanted to show you how it looked without adding the water. You know, once you add the water, your hydrating mist, whatever you add to make your curls pop, that's what will happen. But I wanted to wear my hair out for a minute just to enjoy it, and it feels so lightweight. It feels so good. Let me know in the comments if you think you would try to do your own Microloc install. I was driving to pick up Sid from school, and I could just feel the breeze going through my parts, and it felt so good. I felt so free. I thank you guys for watching me. I thank you for watching this 3-part series. There is going to be a part 4. I'll be making the infamous Microloc curls pop. Please subscribe, share, turn on your notification bells, all that good stuff. Make sure you like. I can't emphasize liking enough. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.